In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify and Apple Music to your Notion workspace. This is a fantastic way to keep your favorite tunes just a click away while you stay organized and productive. Let's dive in and get started. First off, make sure you've got Notion opened up on your device. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do that now. Having a dedicated page or section set up for your music would be ideal, but you can also add these links directly into any existing page where you'd like your music embedded. Keeping your Notion workspace tidy and personalized is part of what makes it such a great tool. Now, let's start with Spotify. Head over to Spotify on your web browser and find the song, album, or playlist you'd like to add to your Notion page. Once you've found something that you want, click on the three dots next to that item. You should see an option named Share. When you hover over it, you'll notice a submenu that pops out. You need to look out for and select Copy Song Link or Copy Album Link, depending on your selection. This copies the link to your clipboard so we can use it in Notion. Switch back to Notion, and decide where you want Spotify to be embedded. Simply paste the link right there using Ctrl-V on Windows or Ctrl+V on a Mac. Right after pasting, you'll see a window pop up with an option that says Create Embed. Click on it, and just like that, your Spotify content will be embedded into your Notion page. Feel free to drag and drop this embed block anywhere on your page to fit your layout needs. Now, let's move on to adding Apple Music, which is just as easy. Open up your web browser and navigate to Apple Music's web platform. Once logged in, browse through to find the specific music content you want. You'll also be looking for the three dots, or ellipsis, which you should click to open a sharing menu. From there, select Share and then go for Copy Link. Back in Notion, the process is quite similar to what we did with Spotify. Paste your Apple Music link where you want that music to appear. After pasting, opt again to Create Embed. With that, you've successfully embedded Apple Music content right into your Notion page. Keep in mind, if you ever face issues with embedding, ensure your links are correctly formatted and that you're using the most current version of Notion. These little integrations really can enhance your workflow by keeping your music easily accessible. So, there you have it, your favorite music from Spotify or Apple Music seamlessly integrated into Notion. I hope this empowers your workflow with a little rhythm and melody. Happy organizing!